Hey everyone, so you learned about arrays and array lists. But those are not the only data structures that we could use to store information. In Python, you learn about dictionaries, and hash maps are the version of dictionaries in Java. So dictionaries and hash maps are key value pairs data structures, and those keys are unique to a specific value. So let's say that I'm trying to store key value pairs of users, and I'll call this hash map user map. And you could think of this hash map as a table or a T-chart where the left-hand side will be the key and the right-hand side will be the value. So the key will be the email, and the right-hand side will be the value, which will be their first name plus last name. Okay? So let's insert a key, and I'm going to call it put explicitly. So we're going to put a key into this hash map. Okay? So let's put nninja at cd.com. Okay? So the value of nninja at cd.com will be Nancy Ninja. Okay? Now let's put another key and value pair here. As samurai at cd.com, and this email belongs to Sam Samurai. We have successfully put two key value pairs in our hash map. Now we could use the keys to retrieve information about the values. For example, I'll use the .get method and ask with the key. Let's call nninja at cd.com, and this will give me Nancy Ninja. Now let me show you with code. So here I have the hashmap fun class, and on line 5 we instantiate our first user map object, which is of hashmap type. Here in the generic, as you can see, we have two types. The left one represents the key type, and the right one represents the value type. So both of them are strings. Make sure that you have the types correctly, otherwise you're going to run into a lot of errors when you're trying to put things into the hash map. Line 7 through 8, we use the put method that we talked about to insert things into the hash map. And on line 10, we get the value that's correlated with this key inside the hash map. Now I want to show you how to iterate through a hash map as well, so you can see all the keys and all the values potentially if you wanted to do something like this. We use the key set method, which in turn returns a set of all the keys. And here's a new data type that's being introduced here. And all you need to know of what a set is, it's a collection of unordered, unique values. So order does not matter, and all the keys that we have here are unique, which is perfect for a hash map because you're only going to have one key per value. Next, we iterate through the keys, and we simply print the key and the value associated to that key. So let's see how that looks. We compile it, and then we run the class, and you can see that we get the full name, and we also print every single key and value associated. Awesome. So this was hash maps, and I'll see you in the next video.